After you've made your angel bulbs, your angel light bulbs, you'll go either to turn off a dark area, and when you are telling the account about the angel appearing to the shepherds, this light will come on. The angel appeared to the shepherds. And once you get to the account about a host of angels appearing to the shepherds, all you got to do is bring out more flashlights, preferably, maybe one per child or one per small group. These small flashlights work okay. If you have a hard time cutting out small objects, I'd recommend maybe getting a larger 3-inch diameter flashlight, but it will work fine as long as you have one that's at least 1.5 inches, 2 inches across. Again, I recommend a bigger flashlight. You can have assistants nearby to turn on your angel and or host of angels, but here's a way you can demonstrate those angels and hosts of angels appearing. They have a beautiful heavenly glow around them, and you can see that the figures are nice and bright and somewhat angel shaped, just depending on how far close you get to the wall. These are LED light bulbs. I do not know how a standard light bulb would work, so I might just recommend getting LED, but here is how you can demonstrate an angel and a host of angels appearing to your group.